let's in the meantime talk about the current circumstances, because IMD has now issued a cold wave warning for North India in particular. A widespread cold wave and dense fog will continue to grip larger parts of India. And this is last being witnessed in the years of 2019 and early 2024, where subnormal temperatures and reduced visibility, and that may also impact travel and transport and daily life across the country. As the winter seems to be tightening its grip across North India, that has been marked by snowfall in hilly terrains and declining temperatures, reaching even when it comes to the nation's capital. So in the coming days, as far as the dip in the temperature is concerned, minimum up to 5 to 6 degrees is said to be recorded, as far as this is said to be one of the coldest days that the new year 2026 has now witnessed. And the IMD has now forecasted that there would be more light precipitation in areas like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal and Uttarakhand. And these warnings that has also been given for the national capital with regards to the cold wave, saying that similar circumstances were also witnessed during the years of 2019 and early 2024. But in the coming days, it will get even more colder. Biting cold is something that the IMD has now forecasted, along with dense fog. But as far as the breathing condition here in the Delhi national capital in NCR is concerned, the air quality continues to hover around poor to the very poor category. So let's connect with Kritika over this. Kritika, the IMD has issued an alert. I mean, as far as I can see, in the next week, in the coming 3 to 4 days, there is a likely dip in minimum temperatures, said to be reported around 5 to 6 degrees Celsius.
Well, yes, currently also we're seeing that Delhi as well is experiencing temperatures as low as 6 to 7 degrees as well in many areas. In fact, it is also in Uttar Pradesh where we're seeing a lot of fall in the minimum temperatures. Even in the daytime temperatures, that is also not crossing 17 degrees Celsius at a lot of places, which means that already cold day conditions are being recorded across a lot of stations in North India and northwestern India as well. Today, minus 22 degrees Celsius was the lowest temperature that was recorded at Dras in Ladakh. Even their maximum temperature is also minus 7 degrees. So this is as far as the cold wave is also concerned. As far as Delhi is concerned, the fog alert is also there. However, today we've seen the visibility was much in the shallow range as well, with 800 meters visibility available. But stations such as in Agra and other places in Jaipur also have seen dense fog.
So issuing a cold wave warning across North India, where widespread cold wave and dense fog conditions will continue to grip larger parts of the country, bringing subnormal temperatures and reduced visibility that has impacted when it comes to travel and transport. Kritika, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Keep safe, keep warm. Back after a short